Okay, great stuff. So let's look at this one on energy costs. So what we have here, it says that next year energy costs are forecast to be 157,590. So first of all, it says this assumes a 3% increase in energy consumption and a 2% increase in gas. So what we had here was we started off, we were going to increase our consumption um, by 3%. So we're increasing that by 3%. And then with all of that consumption, everything was going to increase by 2%. And that's what we have. And that's how we arrive at the 157,590. Right? So the question here is the question says, however, energy saving measures are being proposed. So instead of increasing, consumption should be reduced by 6%. So the best thing is to go back to the original start, and therefore going back to this point where we started would be 157,590 divided by 1.03 times 1.02. When I do that, I have 157,590 divided by 1.03 divided by 1.02 takes us to 150,000. So that's the starting point, 150,000. So it says to us the plan is to actually reduce consumption by 6%. So I'm going to reduce this by 6%, right? So I need basically 94% of this intend to bring consumption down to 94. It brings us to 141,000. I'll write that here, 141,000. And then we propose, we're still going to have the increase in gas tariffs. In tariffs, that's not going to change. Now I can go back and increase that back up to 1.02. And I get 143,820. And that's how that works. So what am I saying? Lay it out like this, understand what the story is. You're always doing the dealing with volume first before you, as you can imagine, if you're going to be increasing price, change the volume first, then change price. Uh, that's kind of naturally how it would work. And then adjust for volume and then increase back the price. So this should help you deal with 67, 68 for those two. So you can practice on this one as well. Cool, great stuff. And that's 67 and 68.